Good morning, class second. Class is on English literature, and today we'll start our new chapter, chapter 13. On my blackboard, I can draw. What's the chapter's name? On my blackboard, I can draw. So, class, this is your unit 7th, chapter number 13th, whose name is On my blackboard, I can draw. Okay, and it's a poem. Okay, what is this? It's a poem. And in this poem there is a boy, a little boy just like you. Okay, and what he can do in on his blackboard, you have to read this poem. Okay, so here in this poem, on my blackboard I can draw one little house with one green door, two brown gates that open wide, three red steps that lead inside, four little chimneys painted white, four little windows shining bright, six yellow marigolds straight and tall, growing up against the wall. Wow. So here in this poem, the boy is making something, is drawing something on his blackboard. Okay. And what he draw? He draw a house. Okay. A beautiful, lovely house. Okay. On my blackboard, I can draw one little house with one green door. Okay, here in this picture, he draw a little house, a very lovely house, which has one green door. Okay, the house has one green door. Okay, what is the color of door? Green. Okay, and then two brown gates that open wide. Okay, the house has brown gates, two brown gates. Okay, that can open widely. Okay, and then three red steps that lead inside. Here in this picture you can see there are three steps, there are three stairs which can lead inside. With the help of these stairs you can go inside the house. Okay, and then four little chimneys painted white. Okay, here in this house you can see there are four chimneys, 1 2 3 4, and they are painted in white color. What is the color of these chimneys? White. Okay, and then five little windows shining bright. In this house, in this lovely house, there are five windows. Okay, little windows. You can see 1 2 3 4 5. So there are five little windows. They are shining brightly. Okay, these windows are shining brightly. And then six yellow marigolds straight and tall. Okay, here in this house there are also six marigolds. Okay, marigold means flower, a kind of flower. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are six marigold in this house. Okay, and they are straight and tall. You can see in these pictures marigolds are straight and tall. And then growing up against the wall. These all six marigolds are growing up against the wall. Here you can see they are growing up against the wall, near the wall. You can see now. So here in this house the boy draws many things. Okay, and draw a beautiful house, a little beautiful house. Okay, and also decorate this house with many things. Okay, with one green door, brown gates, okay, red steps, and also four little chimneys in this house, five little windows, and also six yellow marigolds which are straight and tall. Okay, so here it's a very lovely house in which is drawn by this boy, this little boy. So all of you like this poem? Very good. And now there are some new words for you. First is gates, Gates, gates. Wide, Wide, wide. Lead, Lead, lead. Chimney, Chimney, chimney. Marigolds, Marigolds, marigolds. And the last is straight, Straight, straight. So you have to learn all these spellings. Okay, so this is done. Next thing is, now this is a question. What's to do? Let's write. These are the two rooms of the house. Color them based on this activity. Complete the paragraphs. Class, here you have to complete the paragraph with the help of pictures. Okay, here you can say there is a first room, Okay, and here also you can see the second room. Okay, so you have to complete this paragraph with the help of this picture. Okay, and this is bedroom. Okay, and here the second picture is drawing room. First picture is bedroom and second picture is drawing room. So firstly you will write, this is my house. It has one window. The color of my bed is red. There are 3 pictures on the wall. Okay, that's how you will complete this first paragraph. And the second paragraph, this is a drawing room. It has couch. In it we watch television here. It has red colored curtains. It has a wooden table. Okay, so that's how you will complete the second paragraph with the help of second picture. And also you will color these pictures, okay, with the help of crayons or pencil colors according to yourself. Okay, according to your choice. So clear how to this question? So this is done. Next thing is, now next question is, using the pictures as clues, fill in the blanks. Here in this question you have to complete these sentences with the help of these pictures. So the first is, he is as busy as a bee. Here the first picture is bee na, so here we'll write B, B-E-E, bee. Second, Raj is as slow as a snail. The second picture is snail, snail's picture na, so we'll write S-N-A-I-L, snail. Third, this pen is as light as a feather. Here the third picture is feather, so you will write F-E-A-T-H-E-R, feather. Okay, and the last one is, my hair is as black as a cloud. Okay, so here in the fourth picture you will write cloud, C-L-O-U-D, cloud. These are cloud na, so here you will write cloud. So clear how to this question? Next is, there is a game. Okay, there is activity for you, and in this activity you have to ask your friend to do. Firstly, keep his mouth wide open, just like this. Keep his mouth half shut, just like this. And the last, keep his mouth fully shut. Firstly, we have to, your friend have to open his mouth wide open, totally open. Then half open, and then in the last, totally closed. Okay, so it's a game for you. You have to play this game with your friend. Okay, ask someone to close the door and using the words wide open, half shut and fully shut. Class, you can use these words for whenever you have to say someone to close the door. Okay, you can say wide open, half shut and fully shut. You can use these words for opening the door or closing the door. Okay, so this is done. Next thing is, now next thing is, find the right sentence. Read the pairs of sentences below. Fill in the blanks in the second sentence with the opposite of the words in red. Class, here you can see there are some sentences. Okay, and you have to complete the sentences by using the opposite word. Okay, in the first sentence there is a red word, red colored word. You have to write the opposite of the red colored word in second sentence. Okay, so here the first sentence is, the boy is running very fast. Okay, here you can see in this picture the boy is running very fast. Okay, so red colored word is fast. So here you will write the opposite of fast. Opposite of fast is, what is the opposite of fast? Yes, very good. Opposite of fast is slow. Okay, so here in the second sentence you will write, the boy is walking very slow. Okay, here in the first, the boy is running very fast, and in the second you will write, the boy is walking very slow. Okay, so the next sentence is, it is about a clone, a joker. So the sentence is, the clone is very happy. Here you can see in this picture the clone is very happy, and red color word is happy. So opposite of happy is sad. So you will write, the clone is very sad. Okay, third sentence, the girl is walking on a loose rope. Here you can see in this picture the girl is walking on a loose rope. Okay, the rope is loose na, so opposite of loose is tight. So we will write, the girl is walking on a tight rope. Okay, opposite of loose is tight. So this is done. Next thing is, Now next question is change from singular to plural by adding es, ies and ves. Class, here in this question you have to write the plural form of these singular words. Okay, so the first is buffalo, buffaloes, hero, heroes, potato, potatoes. Okay, and here in all these words we will use es in the last. In the last we will add es. You can say here buffalo, es, buffaloes, hero, es, heroes, potato, potatoes, es, na. And the next word is baby. If the last letter is y, if the last letter is y, you will remove this y and then add ies. Okay, just like baby, babies, fly, flies, lady, ladies. Okay, and the next thing is knife. If the last letter is f or fe, if the last letter is f or fe, you will remove this f or fe and then add ves, like knife, knives, wolf, wolves, loaf, loaves. So clear, class, how to this question? So this is done. Next is, now it's your fun time. Here you have to play some game. Okay, in the first game you have to, can you crawl like a baby? Crawl, crawl, crawl. Okay, so here you can see there is a baby who is crawling. So here in this game you have to crawl like a baby. Okay, and enjoy it. Second game is, can you hop like a grasshopper? Hop, hop, hop. Okay, so class, here in this game you have to hop like a grasshopper, just like here in this picture the girl is hopping, so you have to hop like a grasshopper. And in the third game is, you have to, can you zoom like an aeroplane? Zoom, zoom, zoom. Here in this game you have to move, you have to turn like an aeroplane, you have to fly like an aeroplane. Okay, and then zoom, zoom, zoom. Okay, so play all these games and enjoy it. Okay, so class, here this chapter book exercise is totally completed. Okay, so it's enough for the day. Thank you.